How much money do you actually need to feel secure? Not financially independent, not retired tomorrow. Just secure. Hi, my name is Hank and welcome to my channel. For a lot of people, that number feels vague. Some say $100,000, some say $1 million, some say 3 to 6 months of expenses. But here's what I've learned. Financial security isn't just one number in one account, it's layers. And today, I want to walk you through what those layers look like, so you can stop guessing and start building. Before we talk numbers, let's talk about what secure really means. For most people, security means bills get paid without stress. An unexpected expense doesn't create panic. You're not relying on credit cards to survive. You can make decisions without fear. That's very different from wealth. Security is stability, and stability can be built step by step. The first level of security is simple. Start with $500 to $1,000 in an emergency fund. That's it. This isn't glamorous. It won't change your net worth dramatically. But you can rest easier knowing you have a cushion. A car repair becomes an inconvenience, not a crisis. A medical bill becomes manageable, not devastating. If you don't have this layer yet, this is the first goal. Not investing, not maximizing returns. Stability first. The next level of security is having 1 full month of essential expenses saved. If your paycheck is late, you're okay. If something unexpected shifts your income, you have time. This layer creates breathing room. You stop living life on the edge. And that edge is where stress lives. I didn't always understand this. There was a time in my life when I didn't have that buffer. And what I remember most wasn't the math, it was the pressure. Every unexpected expense felt amplified. What I learned over time is this. Security isn't about a big number. Even a small cushion changes everything. 3 to 6 months of essential expenses is the classic advice for the next step. If you can get to 6 months, that's great, but 3 will suffice. If you lose a job, you're not desperate. If the economy shifts, you don't panic. This is where many people start to truly feel secure. Not invincible, but stable and resilient. Security isn't just about savings, it's also about what you owe. If you have high-interest credit card debt, it eats away at security, even if your income is solid. Reducing consumer debt increases security faster than increasing income sometimes, because it reduces pressure. Security grows when pressure shrinks. Set your foundation. Make it strong. Emergency fund. Breathing room. Manageable debt. Then investing becomes powerful. Now your investments aren't your safety net. They're your growth engine. That's when compounding works the way it's supposed to, because you're not constantly interrupting it. If you're looking for a simple answer, most people begin to feel financially secure when they have $1,000 saved, 1 month of expenses covered, a plan to reach 3 to 6 months of expenses, and manageable debt. It's not $1 million. It's structure. Security is built in layers, not leaps. If you've been feeling behind, here's the good news. You don't need an overwhelming number to feel secure. You just need the next layer. Build it $1,000 at a time. Alright guys, that's it for today. Remember, it's not what you know, it's what you do that makes the difference. If you like this kind of content, like and subscribe to follow along. I'll catch you guys in the next video.